Class 12. In today's class, I am going to start exercise 4C. In this one, you have to understand that the given two lines are intersecting or do not intersecting, or one more thing, we have to find fixed point. Okay, and it will the question will given in Cartesian form as well as vector form. How you will convert that one to find intersection point, whether they are intersection or not, and fixed point. Okay, so open your book, exercise 4C, and see question number 1. Show that the lines x plus 1 by 3 equals to y plus 3 by 5 equals to z plus 5 by 7 and x minus 2 equals to y minus 4 by 3 equals to z minus 6 by 5 intersect. First, these two lines are intersecting or not, we have to find that much, and after that we have to find their point of intersection. Now, how we will do this one? First equation is x plus 1 by 3 equals to y plus 3 by 5 equals to z plus 5 by 7 equals to this one. So what I am doing, that this full equals to t. Now this one will go with t. So x plus 1 by 3 equals to t. Then y plus 3 by 5 equals to t. Then z plus 5 by 7 equals to t. Okay. Now 3 will multiply with t, it will come 3t. Plus 1 will go this side, will become minus 1. That means x value we are getting 3t minus 1. Now y plus 3 by 5 equals to t. So 5 will go this side, it will become 5t. Plus t, 3 will come, it will become minus 3. So y value we are getting 5t minus 3. Now z plus 5 by 7 equals to t. 7 will come this side, it will become 7t. Plus 5 will come, it will become minus 5. So z equals to 70 minus 5. So from first line we are getting x value, y value, z value. Same thing we will do for second line. In second line, what we have, x minus 2 equals to y minus 4 by 3 equals to z minus 6 by 5 equals to t dash. We are taking t dash. Here we are taking t and here I am taking t dash. You can take anything. Okay, lambda, theta, lambda, a, b, c, d. You can take anything, but don't take x, y, z because it is already in the question. Now this one x minus 2 will come with this one t dash, so it will come x minus 2 equals to t dash, x equals to t dash, minus 2 will come this side, will become plus 2. Now y minus 4 by 3, y minus 4 by 3 equals to t dash, so 3 will come, so it will become 3t dash, minus 4 will come, it will become plus 4. So y equals to 3t dash plus 4. Now z minus 6 by 5 equals to t dash. 5 will multiply with t dash, it will become z minus 6 equals to 5t dash. Now minus 6 will come, it will become plus 6, so z equals to 5t dash plus 6. We are getting x, y, z value, and here we are getting x, y, z value. Means points are 3t minus 1, 5t minus 3, 7t minus 5. X, y, z. X value is 3t minus 1, y value is 5t minus 3, z value is 7t minus 5. And next point is 3t t dash plus 2, 3t dash plus 4, comma 5t dash plus 6. Now see, x value is t dash plus 2, 3t dash plus 4, 5t dash plus 6. Okay. So if these two points intersect each other, it means that x value of first point is equals to x value of another point. It means that if above point intersect, then 3t minus 1 will equals to t dash plus 2. See, 3t minus 1 equals to t dash plus equation 1. Understood? When they intersect, to find whether they are intersecting or not, we have to first let that they intersect. If they intersect, it means that this value and x value, these two values will be equal. Same y value in both will be equal. So 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t dash plus 4. 5t minus 3 equals to 3t dash plus 4. Now this one, 7t minus 4 is equals to 5t dash plus 6. Z. So 7t minus 5 is equals to 5t dash plus 6. Equation 3. 1, 2, 3. Up to here. Now using equation 1, I am making one equation properly in terms of t and t dash. So what I am doing, I am taking this t dash this side, it will become minus t dash. So 3t minus t dash equals to 2 will remain as it is, minus 1 will come this side, it will become plus 1. So you are getting equation 3t minus t dash equals to 3, equation 4. Okay. Now same thing I am doing from equation 2. 5t is here plus 3t dash I am taking this side, it will become minus 3t dash, plus 4 will remain as it is, minus 3 will come, it will become plus 3. It means that 5t minus 3t dash equals to 7. Equation 5. Okay. Now I can solve equation 4 and equation 5. I will not see equation 3. Okay. Because we need only two equations to find value of t and t dash. So what I will do, first I will solve equation 4 and equation 5 to find the value of t and t dash. But here we have 3t minus t dash. Here we have 5t minus 3t dash. So what I am doing, I am multiplying with 3. If I will multiply equation 4 by 3, it will become 3 3s are 90. 3 into t dash, 3t dash, 3 3s are 9. So equation 4 is coming 9 3 minus 3t dash equals to 9. And equation 5 is 5t minus 3t dash equals to 7. Now after that what we will do? We can cancel minus 3t dash plus 3t dash. It will cancel. You know this one. 9t minus 5t will become 4t. Here 9 minus 7, 2. It means that t equals to 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Okay. So t value we are getting half. Now what we will do? Putting t equals to half in equation 4. So what is equation 4? Equation 4 is 3t, t dash equals to 3. So 3 into 1 by 2 minus 3, t dash equals to 3. So how much it will come? 3 by 2 minus t equals to 3. After doing this I am coming here. So 3 dash equals to 3 minus 3 by 2. 6 minus 3 by 2. So t dash is coming 3 by 2. T dash value is 3 by 2. T value is half. Up to here you all are understanding. First I am finding t and t dash value. Okay. Class 12, here we have minus sign. So here it will be minus. So you will get minus 3 by 2. Means t dash value you will get minus 3 by 2. Okay, not 3 by 2. Now after that, after getting t and t dash value, you have to put t and t dash value in equation 3. So equation 3 is 7t minus 5 equals to 5t dash plus 6. Okay. So I am writing putting t equals to 1 by 2 and t dash equals to minus 3 by 2 in equation 3. Equation 3 I am writing. So here t value I am putting half and t dash value is minus 3 by 2. So it is coming this much and it will come minus 15 plus 12 by 2. It means it will also come minus 3 by 2. See, LHS and RHS are coming same. So what you will write? LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, it satisfies equation 3. So, the given lines intersect each other. Okay. If you will get that LHS and RHS are not equal at that time, they are not intersecting. Okay. So after doing up to here, you will write LHS equals to RHS. It's therefore it satisfies equation 3. So the given line intersect each other. Okay. After doing this, you have to find what? Find their point of intersection. How you will find the point of intersection? I am rubbing this part. Only one point they are saying find the point of intersection. So you know that these 2 points, you know, you can take any point. So you will write point of intersection. You will take any point. I am taking the first one. 3t minus 1, 5t minus 3, 7t minus 5. Okay. So 3. T value is half minus 1. 5, 1 by 2 minus 3, 7, 1 by 2 minus 5. So it will come 3 by 2 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3, 7 by 2 minus 5. When you will solve, it will come 3 minus 2 by 2, 5 minus 6 by 2, 7 minus 10 by 2. 3 minus 2, 1 by 2, 6 minus 5 minus 1 by 2, and here minus 3 by 2. So this one is your second answer. Point of intersection, you can take this one also and this one also. It's upon you. I am taking the first one and putting t value. I am getting intersection point. Okay, complete this one. Class 12, see question number 2. Show that the lines x minus 1 by 3 equals to y plus 1 by 2 equals to z minus 5, z minus 1 by 5 and x plus 2 by 4 equals to y minus 1 by 3 equals to z plus 1 by minus 2 do not intersect. It means that first we have to find t value and t dash value. Then that value we have to put in equation 3. And we will get that LHS and RHS are not equal. Then we will say that the given lines are not intersecting or do not intersect. Okay. So first of all, we will take this two equation which is given. First equation is x minus 1 by 3 equals to y plus 1 by 2 equals to z minus 1 by 5 equals to t. So let this one equals to t, same method. After that, what we will do, x minus 1 by 3 equals to t. We will separate this one with this, then this one with this, and this one with this. Means t will go with each of them. Okay. So x minus 1 by 3 equals to t, y plus 1 by 2 equals to t, z minus 1 by 5 equals to t. Now this 3 will multiply with t, it will come 3t, minus 1 will come this side, it will become plus 1. So x value you are getting 3t plus 1. Now 2 will multiply with t, 2t, minus plus 1 will come this side, it will become minus 1. So y value you will get 2t minus 1. Z minus 1 by 5 equals to t, 5 will multiply with t, it will come 5t, minus 1 will come this side, it will become plus 1. So x value is this, y value is this, and z value is this, you are getting from first line. Now you have to find second x, y and z value. From second equation you will get second line is x plus 2 by 4 equals to y minus 1 by 3 equals to z plus 1 by minus 2 equals to t dash. Now you have to separate this with t dash, this with t dash, and this with t dash. So x plus 2 by 4 equals to t dash, y minus 1 by 3 equals to t dash, z plus 1 by minus 2 equals to t dash. 4 into t dash will give you 4t dash. Now x equals to 4t dash plus 2 will come, it will become minus 2. 3 into t dash, 3t dash, minus 1 will come, it will become plus 1. Y equals to 3t dash plus 1. Z plus 1 by minus 2 equals to t dash. Minus 2 will multiply with t dash, it will become minus 2t dash. Plus 1 will come, it will become minus 1. Okay. So z value is minus 2t dash minus 1. So first you will write points. Points are this, 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 and this. So you will write points are 3t plus 1, 2t minus 1, 5t plus 1, and 4t dash minus 2, 3t dash plus 1, minus 2t dash minus 1. First we have to understand that maybe they are intersecting. Otherwise we will not be able to find t and t dash value. So what I will write, if above point intersect, then x of this will equals to x of this, means 3t plus 1 equals to 14 dash minus 2. Then y of this will equals to y of this. It means 2t minus 1, 2t minus 1 equals to 3t dash plus 1, 3t dash plus 1. Then 5t plus 1, 5t plus 1 is equals to minus 2t dash minus 1. Now from equation 1 and 2, I am separating. First I am taking 4t dash, this side it will become minus 4t dash. Minus 2 I am writing as it is. Plus 1 is coming this side, it will become a minus 1. It means that 3t minus 4t dash equals to minus 3. Don't see this 3 right now. Okay. Equation 4. Now from equation 2 we will find equation 5. So 2t we will write as it is. Plus 3t dash will come this side, it will become minus 3t dash. Plus 1 will remain as it is, minus 1 will come, it will become plus 2. So 2t minus 3t dash equals to 2. Now you can see in equation 4 we have 3t minus 4t dash. In equation 5 we have 2t minus 3t dash. So I am multiplying equation 4 with 3 and equation 5 with 4. When I will multiply, I will get 9, 3 3s are 9, 90, 3 4s are 12, 12t dash, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So you have to write here solving equation 4 and 5. When you will write, you can see that you have to change the sign. So minus 12t dash and plus 12t dash will cancel. Plus 90 minus 80 will give you t only. Minus 9 and minus 8 will give you minus 50. Means t value you are getting minus 50. Now this t value you have to put in equation 4 and 5. Putting t equals to minus 15 in equation 4. So equation 4 is 3t minus 4t dash equals to minus 3. So 3 minus 15 minus 4t dash equals to minus 3. So 3 into minus 15 will give you how much? Minus 45. Minus 4t dash equals to minus 3. Now minus 4t dash equals to minus 3 plus minus 45 will come this side, it will become plus 45. So how much you are getting? Minus 4t dash equals to 5 minus 42. Here t dash equals to 42 by minus and we can take here. So t dash equals to 2 2s are 4. 2 20 1s are 42. So t dash value you will get, I am writing here, t dash value you will get minus 21 by 2. Okay, t dash value after cancelling we are getting minus 21 by 2. Now you have to put this t and t dash value in equation 3. Okay, so which one is equation 3? First we will write putting t equals to minus 15 and t dash equals to minus 21 by 2 in equation 3. So equation 3 is 5t plus 1 equals to 2t dash minus 1. This is equation 3. So 5 t value is minus 15 plus 1 2 t dash value is minus 21 by 2 minus 1. So 15 into 5 minus 75 plus 1 minus 74 you will get. Here what how much you will get? 2 will cancel. Minus 21 minus minus 22 which is not equal. So what you will write? See, LHS RHS is not equal. So you will write LHS not equals to RHS. So it is not satisfying equation 3, so they do not intersect. Understood? So they do not intersect. If they are not intersecting, you will not get intersecting point also. Complete this one. Class 12, see question number 4. In question number 4, it is given find whether the lines r vector equals to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap and t 5j vector minus 4k vector and r vector equals to 6j cap minus k cap plus s I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap intersect or not. And if they intersect, find the position vector of their point of intersection. Okay, so this question is given in the form of vector. The last two which we have done that were in the form of Cartesian. Okay, now this one is in the form of vector. How we will do when it is given in the vector form? Now see, first question is r vector equals to 2I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap plus t5j minus 4k cap. Okay. First of all, we'll open the bracket. This one we will write 2I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Then you have plus sign. This t will multiply with 5j. It will become 5tj cap. Plus minus minus. T into 4k cap will give you minus 40k cap. Understood this one? Now you have to separate I cap, j cap and k cap. Now see, here only one I cap present, two I cap, so I am writing as it is. Now two j caps are present, 3j cap and 5t cap. Now you will take j common, you will take common. If you will take j common, what is that? Here 3. Then plus sign, this time you will see plus sign, then you have 5t. So you will write within the bracket 3 plus 5t. Okay. Now you will see k cap. Here k cap and here minus 4t k cap. So k cap you will take common. Here you have nothing because you have taken k already common. So you will write 1 and here you have minus 4t minus 4t. Okay. So you are getting I value, I cap will be 2I cap. With j cap you have 3 5 plus 5t and with k cap you have 1 minus 4t. Okay. Same thing you will do for equation for second line. Second line is r vector equals to 6j cap minus k cap plus s I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. So what you will do here, again you will open the bracket, this one 6j minus k cap you will write as it is, plus s into I cap si cap plus minus minus s into 3j cap 3sj cap plus s into k cap sk cap. Okay. Now you will see for I only one I present, which is si cap, so you will write si cap and in j you have two things, 6j cap and minus 3sj cap. Now j cap common you will take and 6 left, here minus 3s left, so you will write within the bracket 6 minus 3s. Okay. Now what you will do, you will take sk cap and minus k cap. So k you can take common and here what is left, minus 1 and here plus s. Okay. Now in this one, if you want to show that whether they are intersecting or not, you have to equalize coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap. So that is why we take equating coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap. Now see, I cap coefficient in this one is 2 and here it is s. So you will equate 2 equals to s. Now here j cap coefficient is 3 plus 5t and here it is 6 minus 3s. So 3 plus 5t equals to 6 minus 3s. Now k cap 1 minus 4t minus 1 plus 7 plus s. 1 minus 40 equals to minus 1 plus s. Okay. Now from first one directly I am getting s value which is 2. So I am writing s equals to 2. Now what you will do, s value you will put here in equation. You can give 1, 2, okay, and 3. Now put it, because s value you are getting 2, you can put s value to get t value minus 3 into 2. So 3 plus 5t, how much? You will get 0 only. So from here what you will write, 5t equals to plus 3 will come, it will give you minus 3, then t equals to minus 3 by 5. So t value you are getting minus 3 by 5 when s value is 2. Now what you will do, putting s equals to 2, t equals to minus 3 by 5 in equation 3. So equation 3 is this one, 1 minus 4 t equals to minus 1 plus s. So 1 minus 4 in place of t minus 3 by 5 minus 1 plus s value is 2. So you will get here 4 3s are 12 by 5 equals to, here you will get 1. If you will solve this one, 12 minus 5 minus 7 by 5 you will get, here it is 1 which is not equal. So what you will write, LHS not equals to RHS, it do not, or you can write it is not satisfying equation 3. Therefore, what you will write? Therefore, lines do not intersect. Okay, intersect it. Okay, understood? So how you will do in vector form? First you will find I, j, k separately. Then you will equate that one, and after that you will put it equation 3. If LHS and RHS both are coming same, then you will say that they are the line intersect. Otherwise they are not. Okay. Class 12, your homework is exercise 4C, question number 5, 1 and 3 only. And if you have any queries regarding any question, you can mail me in the given email ID, and by tomorrow submit your homework. Okay, thank you.